Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. So we are back yet again with I'm sorry, what was that? Oh, you say you like my shirt? Oh, thank you. This old thing, thank you. Oh yeah, we just back with another video, y'all. Continuing our install of the ZL1 Addons body kit. So for today's video, we are going to be installing the side skirts. As you guys have seen, we've already installed the deluxe rock guards, the rear extensions, and the front splitter. Today's video is going to be those side skirts. And of course, you can purchase this body kit online at AmericanAuthority.com, honey. Make sure you use our discount code SHEFAST so that you can get 5% off of your total purchase. Shipping is included in the price, so you don't have no reason to not go ahead and order it. Like, what are you waiting for? So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into this install. All right guys, so this is what comes inside of the box. Of course, it comes with two side skirts, but we already put the one on the driver's side. So in today's install, we're going to be showing you the complete installation of the side skirt that goes on the passenger side of the car. So we got side skirt here, and inside this little baggie, it's a whole bunch of rivets and a couple of screws as well. All right y'all, so let me show you what you're going to need to install the side skirt here. You're going to need a drill bit, and you're also going to need a rivet gun.
Alright guys, so starting out, what we're going to do is use this edge right here. You can see how it kind of curves in. On the car, it has that same curve, so we're just going to line this up with this, and then we're going to come in from the bottom with a screw and screw it in place to hold it down. Okay. All right guys, so we have one screw in now holding this back piece in place. We're going to put another screw in the middle, one at the very front of the car, and then we'll pick up the video after that. All right guys, so now we have all three of the screws in there. We were using this to kind of hold it up in place, but we don't need that anymore. 3 screws in place. Now what we're going to do is come up under here. There's additional holes. We're going to go ahead and swap out to our drill bit here, and then we're going to drill through those other holes and then start installing some of the rivets. Once we get all those rivets in, we're going to take the screws out, drill through the holes again, and install the last of the rivets. So it's a pretty straightforward install. You just need to make sure that you have the right tools, the right rivet gun, the right drill bit, and you'll be good to go. You can do this on the jack. You can take it, put it up on the lift if you want to do it a little bit easier. But yeah, this is a pretty simple install. So let's go ahead and get it wrapped up. So we have this hole drilled out. We're just going to stick our rivet in there. All the front rivets are in, as you can see. Got these coming down. We just need to take care of the back.
All right y'all, and just like that, the install is complete. I'm so excited to show you guys the finished product. I can't wait to show y'all all of it together. Like, it's just beautiful. But anywho, before I show y'all the final result, I want you to remember that you can purchase this body kit online at AmericanAuthority.com. 5% off by using our discount code, which is SHEFAST. check out our description for details on how you can get that body kit. And as always, thank you, and thank you. Let's take a look at the final results. So that texture is the same texture as the deluxe rock guards. And you can see it complements. Yeah. Yeah. Look at that. Looks great. All right, y'all, so let us know in the comments what you think about our body kits so far. Do you like it? You don't like it? You like certain parts of it? I'm curious to know. Me personally, I absolutely love it. I can't wait till y'all see the overall finished result. All right, guys, so don't forget, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give us a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed to our channel and click that notification bell so that you can be notified each and every time we post a new video. We're gonna have another giveaway coming up soon, so make sure you stay tuned for that. As always, thank you guys so much for your support, and we will see you on the next video. It's hot out here. I'm sweating. Finishing up our install of the ZL1 Addons body kit. So, what are you looking at? Did you see him staring? I was doing good too. All right, y'all, so let me show you what you're going. Oh, look at my shadow. Look, get this. Help me. Help me. Help me. Move your arm. Lord have mercy. Thank you. We're going to have another giveaway. Hit that notification button so that you can be notified. No, get that part out. Make sure you are subscribed to our channel so that you can... .com. Honey, it's the same day, so don't try to play me when you see me wearing the same shirt. Boo. The side skirts